you are new, welcome. I'm Lorena. We are decorating for fall today and I am so excited. It's my first fall decorate with me for 2023. I'm just ready to make our house feel cozy and just like fall, even if it's just inside. I'm going to go room by room and decorate each space each week. So there'll be plenty of fall decorating videos to hopefully give you guys lots of ideas. So I really hope you enjoy. And one more thing before we get started, I wanted to share a little bump update. So here is the bump. The little bump, she's growing. I am currently 21 weeks pregnant and I'm feeling really good. I've just been living in dresses. I haven't bought any maternity clothes, but flowy dresses are the only thing that feels comfortable right now. And I'll link this one. It's from Amazon. It is just the nicest quality. The material just feels so great. It's like the perfect fall color and just really airy since it's still really warm outside. So I'll link this one. But I do want to do a pregnancy update video soon on my channel, probably next week or the following week. It's such a special time that I would love to share with you guys. I'm going to keep it separate from the decorating, but I will have that video out soon. So now we can start to the decorating. I took down all of the summer decor that I had up and gave the house a good deep clean before I started decorating. I like setting out all of the decor that I'm going to be using on the dining table just to see what I have to work with. Today I'm decorating this living room space, dining table and cabinet, and the kitchen as well, and I love how it all turns out. The decor I'm using is lots of browns and moody tones mixed in with some of those traditional fall colors. I'll of course link everything that's available, and if I miss anything that you want to know where it's from, just let me know in the comments. I used these pillow covers last year for my fall decor and I really like them. They're from Amazon and such good quality. They're the bigger size of whatever is available, I think 24 by 24, and I love using them for the fall. I think they're just that perfect neutral color. And then this plaid one is the only new pillow that I got from Target this year, and I really love those brown tones. I think the brown looks cozy yet so classic, and they really stand out well here on this couch. And then I'm just using some cream colored ones that I had and this rust colored floral one that I got last year. The decor that I'm using on this little side table is just stuff that I've had from previous years. I love using these wood pieces to anchor decor together. This arrangement is from Target a few years ago and I still really like those colors. And then these little terracotta pumpkins are from the Dollar Spot last year. And then I'm just using this faux leather basket to put some home magazines that I've gotten recently, and it's like the fall editions of lots of the stores. Love making this accent chair and side table a cozy little space. First, I'm adding this throw blanket that I got from Target recently. I really love these colors. I think it goes really well with this chair along with the pumpkin pillow that I'm gonna set. I really love that dark brown color and I think it just looks perfect for fall and so cozy. And then on the side table I'm gonna use some books just to set a bowl and some pine cone filler.
side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
On the coffee table, I'm starting with this black vase that I got from Hobby Lobby and then adding these eucalyptus stems from Amazon. I really love that contrast of the black and orange tones. I think that they look really good together.
With you and I, the future is bright.
I'm gonna add some pumpkin vase filler to this ceramic bowl and then a candle to finish it all off. I did get a black marble coaster that I'm using as like a candle stand, and I really like the combination of all these colors on the coffee table. The black tones with the oranges and the creams I think go very well together.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
I'm so excited to decorate this new cabinet that we got recently. It's from McGee & Co. and we got it during their summer sale. I'm so happy with it. I think the decor looks beautiful in it and stands out so nicely. And I'm going to start on the top shelf and adding a new glass pumpkin that I got from Target. I love that it has an opening on the bottom so I can add a battery operated candle, and it has a remote so I turn it on at night and it looks so cozy. And then I'm just adding some of our dinnerware, which has a small gold detail that will tie in with the frame that I'm going to be adding on another shelf. And then just adding some pops of color with some orange eucalyptus in a vase.
Get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day.
On this next shelf, I'm starting with this picture stand to hold this canvas art that I got from Hobby Lobby. I really love the moody colors that it has, as well as this vase. I think they look so good together. I also got some new glasses from Hobby Lobby, and I really love the amber glass color. I think that they'll be perfect to use for fall or a Thanksgiving tablescape later on as well. And then I'm just using some new decor books to give height to a woven pumpkin, which I love so much. I think it has such a pretty texture that adds a very cozy touch here.
I know it hurts, it wasn't fair.
I got this new picture frame from Target recently, and it has that pretty gold detail that ties in with the dinnerware. And then I just printed out some digital art from Walgreens. I really love doing this each season and adds just such a pretty touch to your seasonal decor.
Before the blue skies way too gray, we're gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. The world could fall down.
Using another decor book under this paper mache style bowl, I'm going to be adding some acorns to it. So in order for them to be seen, I did have to add some plastic bags to give them height. I got these acorns from Hobby Lobby last year, and I love that fall touch that they give whenever you just want something different other than pumpkins.
When I stayed home, I need you on my fire.
And in order to make this cabinet functional as well, I did add some baskets to the bottom shelf. They are from Target and they're just the perfect size. 3 of them just happen to fit perfectly, and I still think they look really nice, but then serve as a great way to store different things.
Makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on. Do you feel like we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you.
Just wiped down the table with a wood cleaner, and then I'm going to set a tall vase here with some stems. I like this lighter cream color and how it contrasts with the wood table. And then these stems are just a combination of ones I've had from previous years. I love all of those colors and kind of like that dried look that they have, along with some of those pumpkins.
I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that we got nothing to fear. It's a miracle.
And to finish off the dining table, just adding this knitted cream pumpkin and this candle that I've had from several years ago.
I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about.
And now I'm moving on to decorating the kitchen, and this is everything that I'm going to be using. Some pumpkins and different colored stems and a really pretty wreath. But first I'm going to wipe down the countertops and the island. I did have a fall scented Mrs. Meyer spray left over from last year, so I used that and it made the kitchen smell really good.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of
I love using this wooden cookbook stand here, so just placing it in the corner, and then I'm going to add some stems to this orange pitcher and a little pumpkin.
and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy sand, reaching for the grand.
Adding these wooden cutting boards, and then this is actually a planter that I got from Target I think last year. I'm going to use it to hold all of the wooden utensils.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond no.
I love using any type of vase filler, especially for fall decor. So I'm just using this pine cone and acorn one in this little bowl, and I'm going to put it on top of a dish towel just to make this little corner extra cozy.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond no.
Keeping things mostly functional here with these pumpkin salt and pepper shakers and the oil dispensers as well.
Easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond no.
And things in this corner are not aesthetic, but they make me so happy with all of the pictures we have, and then functional because we have our menu and then all of my vitamins. I always have like water bottles on this side. It just hides really well in the corner.
Look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down. Collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets. And yesterday has gone to sleep. So all that's left is you and me. I can't promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be
Wiping down the island, and then I can add the decor here. But first I'm gonna add a wreath to our pantry door. I got this one from Amazon last year, and I love the orange colors. I think it stands out so beautifully against the white door.
Time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by. Tries to carry all the whispers.
I got these stems from Hobby Lobby, and I love how much movement they have. They just kind of like droop over, and I think that looks so pretty. And the picture vase is from Hobby Lobby as well. And then I'm gonna add a bowl with some more vase filler.
A place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me.
The candle I'm adding to the sink here is from last year, but I saw that Target has them again this year, and I think it is so cute for the kitchen. In this basket, I'm adding some pumpkins and florals, and then I'm going to set it on top of the fridge. I really love the cream colored pumpkins along with these yellow stems. It's all very neutral, but I think looks very beautiful in this space. And that's everything for my first fall decorate with me for this season. I hope you guys enjoyed and got some decorating ideas. It feels so good to make our home feel nice and cozy and ready for the fall season when it actually gets here. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you soon on my next one.